So we're not going to make a thing. We're just going to click. We're going to click. We're going to click.
All right.
That's it. 1, 2, 3. Just jump in.
Click, click, click.
Click, click, click.
Yeah. Click.
This is the new method.
Click.
And
click.
this is going to bring us something we don't have, right? 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 You're not saying right. You're supposed to say right and agree with your daddy. Fine. If this is a dupe, it's on you. Just so you know.
You're the one who made this method. You made the... Right. But you made the method. You made the method.
And...
You made it.
Oh, legendary Mickey! Legendary Mickey! I told you! Look at that neon mouse! Click! Look at that! 940! Mickey! Cool, alright. So that means, here we go. Wait, cubes. Down. Click. Alright. If I get another new one, then that's it. I'm choosing forever.
He has the magic touch.
Oh, maybe.
For now, he does. We gotta open this.
Look at that list filling out. That's looking good.
Yeah, we just... Okay. He has magic touch, but...
We'll see.
We're gonna see if he keeps it. Will he keep it?
No, don't do it. Don't do it. No, I need to see. Come on, no, I gotta see. Be legendary Minnie.
Or Mickey.
Ah, legendary Pluto.
Ah.
Which we have a bunch of. Oh, yeah, but I still pulled a new one. All right, well, that was fun. That was a fun one. And look at that. That's looking great. Look, there are 15 of these guys, and we're missing only 6. So we have 9 of 15, so we're in really good shape. All right, we still have quite a bit to go, right? What do we have real quick before we sign off here? Look, we still have 21 more Mickeys to go. So
21 more Mickeys.
Yeah, 21 chances to get the last 9, so I'm feeling good about it for right now. We'll see.
Mm-hmm.